reason is Chinese culture originated from this province. We found the earliest Chinese culture in this province on the turtle's shell. On the turtle's shell, yes.
Okay, good morning from Zhengzhou. We're at the Henan Provincial Museum, and yeah, we're just having to explore, looking at all the thousands and thousands of year old ornaments and a bunch of other things. Pretty incredible, like the bronze work, the jade work and everything's just insane. And then you got things like this. Yeah, it's pretty incredible, but keep walking around, keep showing you some of the stuff. As you've probably seen, we also checked out of our hotel because we've got a flight to Shanghai tonight, and then a bus off to Zhengzhou, so it should be a pretty interesting day. Absolutely incredible museum, just crazy. All the history, all the different parts to history around here, and yeah, just very calm, which surprised me. But I mean, it's awesome. It means you can explore, see everything, don't have to worry. What they're gonna say. Did he ask you where you're from? Yeah.
Sleep plan cone here. We got a big cone. And this golden egg is art center of the provincial art center.
Okay, so we just got back. Well, we just finished. We finished at the museum about an hour ago, and now we're heading off to. Well, we had some lunch at, I think you can see, Chinese Pizza Hut. It's actually pretty good. So, had a supreme pizza. And now we're gonna head up to one of the monuments, well, landmarks of Zhengzhou, which is just up there. It's a 280 meter tower. It looks like either a cone, corn cob. It's a bit wet and not windy, but just a bit wet. And of course, Zane's powering off ahead. I'm gonna get run over. Okay, that didn't go as planned. got absolutely soaked. Oh well, at least we got to see it a bit closer up. Made it to Zhengzhou Airport. Now I made it through security, which is pretty much like international security every single time you go through. Passport checks, every part of your body's checked. It's just pat down straight away. And you've also got what was it? You got to take everything with batteries out of your bags, and it's pretty insane. But yeah, made it through that, and now heading down to the boarding gate. Still got about an hour and a half, 2 hours till boarding, so might explore the airport, see what they've got, maybe get some food. I think we get some food on the plane as well, and then we're off to Shanghai just to get to Shanghai, and then we take the bus to Zhengzhou, which should be pretty good. But yeah, let's explore the airport and then we'll keep going. Now that's interesting, you never see that. Got cameras all around the airport that's being shown. Nice little napkins. Pretty awesome. Just a bit of an update. Our plane, well, the incoming plane couldn't land because of the weather. It's still raining pretty heavily. I'll show you the previous plane on the screen. So it's like, it got pretty close and then turned around, found a diversion city. And so I don't believe it's taken off back here yet, unfortunately. So we're just waiting for the planes to come in, being able to depart. Looks like some of them are able to depart now. Okay, so almost time to board. It's been what, 4 or 5 hours since we got to the airport. Expected to depart at 9, still haven't boarded, but almost. But yeah, it should be pretty interesting to see, because we get in it'll be 2-hour flight, and then we've got to get in, take the bus for 2 hours. So it's going to be a late one, that's for sure. 你好。你好。请谢谢。你好。Hello。你好。前往上海。
Judicial authorities may give warnings or inflict penalties, such as fines and administrative detention, to individuals concerned. And criminal liability will be pursued for serious cases. Your safety is our priority.
Okay, so we arrived in Shanghai approximately 45, maybe a bit less than 45 minutes ago, more than 45 minutes ago. And we were meant to be driving to Zhengzhou, which takes like almost 2 hours to drive, but tour buses aren't allowed onto Chinese highways after, I think it's midnight, so we wouldn't have made it to Zhengzhou. So we're in what looks to be a Dutch hotel called the Golden Tulip, which is pretty cool. It definitely has some Dutch vibes to it, with the bike and the obviously being called the Golden Tulip. But yeah, other than that, I'm trying to call my bank because someone has stolen money from me. So that's also very fun, and I can't get through for some reason. So I guess that's my mission for the rest of the night before a late-ish wake up, luckily. Gives us time to actually sleep, and then we're off to Zhengzhou for the day, while also then afterwards heading off to Hangzhou. I think it's Hangzhou. But yeah, all in all, very, very long day, but I mean, that's what travel is. It's being delayed 4 hours, getting into a city at midnight, and then luckily having a tour guide that books your hotel, and it actually looks really, really nice. So yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. It wasn't the most exciting video, obviously, because it was just a museum and then it was raining, so we didn't have much to do, and then it was flying, so it's pretty boring, but hopefully tomorrow's going to be pretty interesting. I think we're going to see the Grand Canal over in Zhengzhou, which should be pretty impressive. But yeah, I will catch you tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed today's video, obviously. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. See ya.